sitting there fiddling with the line and you get a fish tugging. Maybe that's what made him bite.
Yep, there he is. He's a wiggler.
I hope it's not another short lingcod. The fish appear to be in shallow water. Right at 13:30. What is it? A little bit of weed and a fish.
And a fish. Calico.
Calico. Yeah, it looks like it's a keeper too.
Cleared the weed.
Yep, that's a keeper, all right.
Yep.
That's 15 or 16.
Yep, he's a good one.
Oh, he took your little blue one. Isn't that pretty? Yes, it is.
Yeah, he's 14. He's 15.
Yeah, he's 15.
Right.
Hold it back up again. Ooh, don't get that hook in ya.
That was coming.
You're gonna get that hook in you. I cringe whenever I see grab fish like that. There you go.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, nice one.
Calico.
All right.